morning, traders. This is Matt with newbietrader.com, and this is your daily wrap-up video for Friday, December 5th, 2014. Just a pretty hectic day, really, in the market. We had almost 1.5 to 2 times as many trades as we'd normally get on a typical trading day. Today, we ended up with 17 trades. Now, out of that 17, there were 5 losers, but we still ended up with a great day. $890 on the day. Gave away one at the very tail end, and we had a few scratch-out trades in there. But anyway, started off in the morning before the, if you recall, Friday was the employment situation. So before the employment numbers came out, we did get a signal and a push to the upside. That was good for $90. And then the employment numbers came out. You can see the market pushed to the downside, and as it was moving down, right before the announcement, before the announcement, we pushed to the downside, and then on the announcement, we had an immediate drive to the upside. And unfortunately for us, our signal did not activate. As you know, we have a simple 5-step plan. On the pullback after the initial move, we got a signal. That one got stopped out for break even, but then there was immediately a secondary signal, and that was the one we caught. So we were able to catch a part of that upside move. That was $410. So right off the bat, we were sitting pretty good on the day. Prior to the market open, we were already at the $500 mark, and the market did sell off, another scratch trade, and then on the open, we actually had a signal to the downside, $110, and then market immediate bounce, had a $110 move to the upside. And then a little bit of back and forth here, a couple of small losses, $20 a piece, and then we went into the 10 o'clock reversal time frame. They came right off of one of our profit bands, moved to the downside. Again, no signal entry on that initial move. It wasn't until the bounce that we had a nice $190 push, and then the market was kind of back and forth throughout the rest of the day. We started giving a little bit of back around the lunchtime dead zone. You had a $20 win, a $200 loss. During lunch, there was a nice $140 push to the upside. That helped make up for that loss right before the dead zone started, the profit-taking time of day. And then, coming in here towards the afternoon, late afternoon on a Friday, I know there's not a lot of people trading at that point in time, but it ended up being pretty profitable for us up until the 3 o'clock hour. There was a $10 move, couple scratch-out trades, really. Those don't really account for anything. And then you had a $20 loss. So the series of, these 3 trades right here basically was break even. But then after the 2 o'clock reversal timing, you can see we had a signal to the downside. That played out for $260. And then things were going good until right at the end. Had a signal 4 minutes before the close. A lot of people probably weren't there to take that trade, but if you did, you were stopped out to the downside, and the market immediately reversed on you into the close, and so you gave back $200. So at one point, you were up $1,190 up until the last 5 minutes of the market or so. But if you took every signal, you still would have been at $890. So still a fantastic day. It's just unfortunate to give away $200 there right at the end. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching. If you're interested in our 5-step trading plan, come on over to newbie-trader.com/Russell. Thanks, and make it a great day.